Hey everyone, today we'll show you how to add your face on AI trending images. So let's get started. First, open your browser and type bing.com. Click on images. Then click on create. After login with your email, you will see this page named image creator. Now type the prompt right here. You can also change your desired social media name and what does he wearing. You can also change your name here. I'll put this prompt in the description. Then click on create. After showing the result, click on image to preview. Select and save your desired image by clicking on download. Then open another tab and type remake.ai. Then press enter. Now click on face swap. Now upload your images. Click on swap. Click to image preview. Yes, it did very good job. Now click on download to save your image. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Graphic Solution Tricks channel for more videos.